So here you got Levoit Core Mini Air Purifier, and today we are going to unbox it and see how it works. Now let's do a quick unboxing. As you can see, the box packaging is pretty good. Now let's open the tape. And yeah, and as you can see here is a warning label as well. So make sure to read it before you open it. Okay. And here is a foam on top for the protection. Let's remove it. And here is the air purifier. Let's take it out. Let's keep it aside. And here are some more things like paperwork. As you can see, here is a user manual, so make sure to read it before you use it. As you can see, there are almost every instruction, so let's keep it aside as well. And here is a thank you note from the Levoit. So now let's keep these aside and let's move to the main product, which is the air purifier. Now let's unwrap it. So here you can see another warning label which has written, before using it, remove the power adapter and the plastic foam from the filter. So I think the power adapter is inside this, so let's remove it. At first, let's take this out and let's remove this plastic as well. Okay, it's satisfying. And let's open this. To open this, it's pretty simple. Just you need to hold here, and here you can see an open sign. Just you need to rotate it on that way. So as you can see, it is open. And here you can see a power adapter box inside it. You can see. So let's keep it aside. And here is the filter. Let's take this out. And this filter has 3 layers. The outer one is for capturing large particles. The middle layer captures the dust, which are 0.3 microns. And the last one is the activated carbon filter for absorbing unwanted odors. And yeah, that's the unboxing. So now let's use it. So for that, let's put the filter inside this case and put the top on. And yeah, it's all set. I forgot to mention that here is a essential oil tray as well. So to take this out, it's very simple. You just need to press it like this and it will automatically come out, as you can see, and you just need to pull it. And here you can put some drop of oils to make your room smell good. Okay, let's put it in. So to operate this, it's pretty simple. You just need to put this adapter on your charging station, as you can see, like this. And put this pin here. As you can see, here is a hole. You can put it in like this, and yeah, you are good to go now. Now to turn it on, you can press this, and as you can see, it's on. So we have 3 modes, as you can see: slow, medium and fast. And to change this mode, it's pretty simple. You just need to press this power button. Like as you can see, it's on mode 2 and here mode 3. That's all. And to turn it off, you just need to press this again. I will show you again. To turn it on, you just need to press 1 and it is on slow mode. If you press it again, it is on medium, and if you press it again, then it is on fast, and if you press it again, it will turn off. So that's very simple. As you can see, there is another button as well. It will blink red if the filter is dirty and need a change. And one of the main thing, is it loud? Well, in slow mode, you can't hear any sound. As you can see, there is no any sound. But in medium mode, there is a bit of fan sound, as you can see here. And in high, there is a sound, but it won't disturb you. So I think you got the answer. So yeah, that's the unboxing of this Levoit Core Mini Air Purifier, and we are also going to make a review video of this after using it for a few days. So stay tuned for that as well, and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for the latest update. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.